Here's a new 2018 GMC Sierra 1500. This is a truck with a work ethic to match your own, one that doesn't stop at good enough. It comes with great features you'll love: automatic transmission, electronic shift on the fly, Ecotec 3 engine, active grille shutters, Bluetooth wireless audio streaming, remote engine start smart device, front heated leather split bench seats, aluminum wheels, gas pressurized shocks, auto dimming rear view mirror, and power tilt down heated mirrors. GMC, professional grade vehicle suited to fit your needs. They say a journey of 1,000 miles begins with one step. In this case, it begins with a test drive. Start your next adventure today.
The deals won't get any better than they are every day at Ferguson Buick GMC. The customer service is great too. We are conveniently located off I-35 and West Robinson Street in Norman, Oklahoma.